in order to solve for variables where you have fractions involved, you want to get rid of the denominator first. So the fastest way to do that is to see if the largest number, if the other two numbers go into that. So your largest number is 5, and you can't do 5 divided by 4 evenly. In that case, the quickest way to solve the problem is just go ahead and multiply all the numbers together. So 5 times 4 is 20 times 3. Let me write that out. 5 times 4 times 3 equals 60. Once you do that, then you rewrite the problem with extra large fraction bars like this. 7 over 5 minus fraction bar. Now that y on the side, I'm going to move that up to the top. Equals negative 7 over 3. And then that 60, whatever number you found there, you put that on the top with each fraction. Or with each term, I should say. Then you start dividing. 60 divided by 5 is 12. And you multiply whatever's left over. 12 times 7 is 84. Minus 60 divided by 4 is 15. And 15 times 7 is 105. And you've got a y there. Equals 60 divided by 3 is 20. 20 times negative 7 is negative 140. So then you subtract 84 from both sides because the opposite of positive 84 is negative 84. Opposites cancel. Bring down the negative 105y equals negative 140, and negative 84 is a negative 224. This is negative 105 times y, so the opposite of times is divide. So you need to divide both sides by negative 105. Top cancels with bottom. Y equals the negative on the top cancels with the negative on the bottom. Now these are divisible by 7. So if you can simplify a fraction, you have to. So 224 divided by 7 is 32. And 105 divided by 7 is 15. So y equals 32 over 15. The next one, the largest denominator is 4, and you can do 4 divided by 2. So 4 is going to be the number that we work with. So I'm just going to write it again like it looks with extra large fraction bars. Plus 3 over 2. The y is going to go up top. Equals negative 9 over 2. And the 4, the least common multiple, I put that on the top of each fraction or each term, and then I divide. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so you've just got 1 times negative 3, which is negative 3, plus 4 divided by 2 is 2, so you've got 2 times 3y is 6y, equals, we've got a negative sign here. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times negative 9 is negative 18. I add 3 to both sides to get your variable. 6y equals negative 18, and a positive 3 is a negative 15. 6 times y, the opposite of times, is divide. Divide both sides by 6. Y equals negative. Okay, simplify your fraction. These can be divided by 3. So negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the answer for this one is negative 5 over 2. The largest denominator on this next one is 9. You can't do 9. 9 does go, 3 goes into 9, but 2 doesn't. So 9 times 2 is 18. 18 will work because 18 divided by 3 is 6 and 18 divided by 2 is 9. So I'm going to do 18. Write your fractions down just like they are. Put the V up top. Just leave extra long. Oops, that's a minus sign. 3 over 2. And we said the number we're going to use is 18. Okay, 18 divided by 9 is 2, and 2 times 5 is 10, equals 18 divided by 3 is 6. Oops, sorry, I wrote 3 down. Is 6. 6 times negative 5v is negative 30v, minus 18 divided by 2 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, I have to add 27 to both sides. So I get 37 equals negative 30v. The opposites cancel. This is negative 30 times v, so the opposite of times is divide. So divide both sides by negative 30. Okay, 37 over 30, that does not simplify because 37 is a prime number. So I usually just move the negative out front. It really technically doesn't matter if it's on the bottom, top, or front, just as long as you just have one of them. So that's the answer to that one. The next one is 5. 2 doesn't go into 5. So 5 times 2 is 10. That will work. So I'm going to use a 10 on the next one. The W is going to go up top. The fraction bars are going to be extra long. And everything else is written just like it looks for now. I said I was going to use 10, so I put that with each term. Okay, start dividing. 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 5 times negative 1w is negative 5w, plus 10 divided by 5 is 2, and 2 times 7 is 14, equals 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. I'm going to subtract 14 from both sides. Negative 5w equals negative 15, and a negative 14 is a negative 29. Divide both sides by negative 5 so that w is by itself. Top cancels with bottom. W equals top negative cancels with bottom negative. 29 over 5 does not simplify, so you just leave it as 29 over 5.